Some tools just work, and then there are the ones that make you wonder. If you love clever tools that save time and make life easier, you're in the right spot. These Amazon picks aren't just useful, they're designed to surprise, impress, and get the job done right. All the product links are in the description below. Number 30. TooLife Contour Gauge. Measuring tricky shapes just got easier with this clever tool. It copies the exact outline of any edge or curve, so you can trace it perfectly onto wood, tile, or flooring. Just press it against the surface and the pins adjust to match the shape. It's super handy for corners, pipes, or weird angles where normal rulers fail. Great for home projects, repairs, or customizing furniture. Lightweight, easy to use, and saves a ton of time when you need precision. No more guessing or awkward cuts, just press, trace, and go. A must-have for anyone who likes things to fit just right. Number 29. Cart Paint Sprayer. This heavy-duty paint sprayer delivers a smooth, even finish on walls, fences, decks, and large furniture projects with no need for roller marks or brush strokes. It's built tough with a cart for easy movement and handles thick paints without thinning. You'll appreciate the adjustable pressure control to dial in the perfect spray if you're working indoors or outdoors. The stainless steel piston pump is airless and designed for long-lasting use. Plus, it's easy to clean. Great for pros or weekend warriors who want fast, professional-looking results with minimal effort and maximum coverage. Number 28. Yarbo Snowblower. Shoveling snow is no fun, but the Yarbo Snowblower robot makes it super easy by doing all the work for you. No hands needed. You can use the Yarbo app to tell it when to clear snow, even using weather forecasts to plan ahead. It's super safe too, with radar and 3 cameras that spot things like pets or people up to 16 feet away, so it won't bump into anything. You can choose where the snow goes by adjusting the chute to throw it between 6 to 40 feet in the direction you want. With strong rubber tracks and powerful motors, it can roll over icy driveways and even go up slopes. It clears a big space, up to 6,000 square feet on one charge, and when it's done, it goes back to its base to recharge all by itself. It's like having your own smart snow clearing robot buddy. Number 27. RAINPOINT Water Timer. This sprinkler timer is a super easy tool that helps you water your yard without any stress. It has 2 separate outlets, so you can set different watering times for different areas, like your lawn and garden. You can choose when to start watering, how often, and how long it lasts. It even has 38 different watering schedules, so you can set it to water every few hours or just certain days of the week. There are also 3 manual modes, so if you want to water just one zone or both, you can do it with a button and pick how long it should run. If it's going to rain, you can use the rain delay to pause watering for 1 to 3 days so you don't waste water. Plus, the big screen shows all the info like battery life, watering time, and next schedule, and it even warns you when the battery is low and shuts off the water by itself to save power. Number 26. ThingaMeJig Scribing. The clever tool helps you trace exact outlines of uneven surfaces like walls, floors, or molding, so your cuts fit just right. It has flexible pins that glide along the contour, capturing the shape of tricky edges. Once you press it against the surface, the pins hold the pattern, and you can mark it perfectly on your material. Ideal for trimming plywood, baseboards, or flooring to fit around rounded corners, pipes, or uneven walls. Lightweight and easy to use, it saves you from guesswork and messy gaps. Great for getting tight, professional-looking fits without frustration or wasted material. Number 25. Mini Jack. This is a super helpful tool made for lifting and leveling things like tiles, doors, or cabinets during installation. It's easy to use, just press the handle to lift and adjust the height and press the plate to lower it. It's made of strong steel with a solid base, and when you use 2 together, they can hold up to 450 pounds and lift things up to 6.69 inches high. The comfortable handle makes it easy to grip and control. Even though it's strong, it's still small and light, so you can carry it anywhere. You can use it for lots of jobs, like putting in doors, floors, or cabinets. And it also works as a woodworking clamp. It's a smart, powerful tool that helps you get the job done fast and right. Number 24. Mini Electric Drill. This tiny electric pen-shaped tool is perfect for detailed work like engraving, polishing, drilling, or sanding. It's compact and easy to control control with one hand, so you can tackle small jobs with precision. It runs on battery and comes with a variety of tiny bits for different tasks like carving wood, buffing jewelry, or cleaning small parts. The speed is adjustable, giving you just the right amount of power without overdoing it. Super lightweight, it's easy to carry around or store in a toolbox. Number 23, Hydraulic Power Kit. This small but strong lifting tool can handle up to 5 tons of pressure and fits easily into tight spaces. The low-profile design is great when you don't have much room to work with. It comes with a hand pump that works without electricity. You just pump it manually and it builds pressure fast. Both parts are made from solid metal and have a smooth finish that resists rust. It's easy to set up with quick connect parts, and it resets on its own after use. It is perfect for lifting, pushing, or lining things up when working on cars or heavy equipment in tight spots. Number 22, Heavy Duty Foldable Ladder. This sturdy step platform gives you that extra height you need for jobs around the house or garage. It's made of strong aluminum but still light enough to carry easily. The surface is wide and non-slip, so you feel safe while standing on it. It folds open in seconds and locks in place, then folds flat when you're done for easy storage. It can handle a good amount of weight without wobbling. Simple, solid, and super handy when a regular step stool or ladder feels like too much. Number 21, Locking Pliers. These tough pliers are built to grip and hold things tight without slipping. Once you clamp them down, they lock in place so you don't have to keep squeezing. Super helpful for turning stuck bolts, holding pieces together while gluing, or even bending metal. You can adjust the screw at the handle to fit different sizes, and when you're done, just release the lever to unlock them. They feel solid in hand and give you extra force when regular pliers just won't cut it. A reliable go-to tool for fixing, holding, or tightening stuff with way less effort. Number 20, Ridgid PTC 400 Cutter. This powerful cutting tool makes slicing through metal and plastic tubing super easy. It handles materials like steel, copper, and aluminum without a problem. Even though it's built tough, it's still compact and easy to carry around thanks to a built-in handle and cord wrap. You can choose between 2 speeds depending on what you're cutting, and there's a foot pedal so you can keep both hands free. The blade gives clean cuts without heating things up, and swapping it out is quick and simple. Great for pros who need fast, smooth cuts on the job without the hassle. Number 19, Pneumatic Strapping Tool. This air-powered tool makes packing and strapping boxes or pallets quick and easy. It pulls the strap tight, seals it, and cuts off the extra pretty much all in one go. You just press a button and it does the hard work for you. It's strong, reliable, and has a comfy handle that's easy to hold, even if you're using it for a while. A great option for warehouses, shipping areas, or any job where you need to bundle things up tight without messing around with manual tools. Once you get the hang of it, it saves a ton of time and effort. Number 18, Tile Vibration Machine. This easy-to-use tool helps you lay tiles flat and even without much effort. It runs on battery, so there are no cords to deal with. Just set it on the tile, press the button, and it gently vibrates to settle the tile and get rid of extra grout. It makes the surface smooth and level, saving you time and making the job look clean and professional. It's light, portable, and perfect for anyone working on floors or walls if you're doing home DIY or helping out on a big project. Number 17, Toolwiz Strap Wrench. This handy tool uses a strong rubber strap to grip all sorts of round or odd-shaped items like jar lids, pipes, or oil filters. Just wrap the strap around, pull it tight, and twist. It won't scratch surfaces and gives you a solid hold, even if your hands aren't super strong. You can adjust it to fit different sizes, and the handle makes turning stuff much easier. It's great for opening stuck jars, fixing plumbing, or working on your car. Simple, gentle, and super useful for jobs where regular tools might slip or do damage. Number 16, Makita ChainSaw. This battery-powered chainsaw is super handy for yard work and cleanup. It's lightweight and easy to hold, so your arms won't get tired fast. The motor runs smooth and fast, cutting through branches and small logs without any trouble. It's got safety features like a quick stop brake and kickback protection to keep you in control. You don't need tools to tighten the chain, and the built-in oiler keeps everything running smoothly. There's even a little window so you can check the oil level. Great for trimming trees, cutting firewood, or just keeping your outdoor space in shape. Number 15, Homax Tex-Pro. This handy sprayer makes adding texture to walls and ceilings super quick and easy. Instead of mixing big, messy batches, you just pop in a texture cartridge, hook it up to an air compressor, and start spraying. It's way lighter than those old, bulky hopper guns, and cleanup is a breeze. breeze. The two-hand grip gives you good control, and you can adjust the pressure and nozzle to get the finish you want, light or heavy. Perfect for patching up spots or doing a full wall. It saves time and gives a smooth, pro-like look without all the hassle. Number 14. Spring Tools. This little tool is perfect when you need a sharp hit without using a hammer. Just pull it back and let go. It gives a strong, clean strike right where you need it. It's super handy for setting nails, marking drill spots, or doing detail work, especially in tight spaces. It's small enough to carry in your pocket, but packs a solid punch every time. No dents, no damage, just quick and accurate results. Great for woodworking, trim jobs, or anytime you want to skip the hassle of swinging a hammer. Simple, smart, and super easy to use. Number 13. FLIR Thermal Camera. This tool helps you visualize hot and cold spots that could indicate electrical faults, mechanical breakdowns, or air and water leaks. As an all-in-one, non-contact measurement and imaging device, it displays temperature anomalies on the screen, allowing for efficient inspection and quicker identification of problem sources compared to a single-spot IR thermometer. The patented FLIR MSX image enhancement adds visual details to full thermal images, helping you clearly see components and even read labels. The bullseye laser ensures you're targeting the right component for measurement, while user-friendly buttons and settings make completing the task quick and stress-free. Number 12. Demo-Dek Tool. This tool makes tearing up old deck boards way easier and faster. Instead of bending over or breaking boards apart, you just hook it under and pull long planks to come up in one smooth motion. The long handle gives you good leverage, and the strong steel head can even yank out those tough nails without breaking the wood. It's built solid with a comfy grip so it can handle tough jobs without wearing you out. There's even a nail puller built right in, great for anyone looking to take down a deck or floor without all the usual hassle. Number 11. Cordless Planer. This cordless planer is super handy for cleaning up rough wood or shaving down doors and edges. It's light and easy to move around, so you won't get tired using it. The motor runs fast and smooth, taking off thin layers of wood with each pass. You can adjust how much it cuts, and there's usually a little kickstand so the blade doesn't get damaged when you set it down. Dust ports help keep the mess under control, and the compact size is great for working in tight spots. It's a solid pick for quick fixes or detailed finish work without dealing with cords. Number 10. Klein Work Cooler. This tough little cooler is great for job sites, fishing trips, or just hanging out outdoors. It keeps your food and drinks cold for over a full day, thanks to its thick insulation. You can fit about 18 cans inside, and the best part, you can actually sit on it and hold up to 300 pounds like a mini bench. The lid opens wide and stays in place, and there's a small compartment inside for storing snacks, keys, or anything small. The handle's sturdy and doubles as a shoulder strap. It even has a spot for a lock if you want to keep things extra safe. Number 9. Franklin ProSensor. This smart little tool makes it super easy to find studs behind your walls. Just press the button and slide it along, it lights up to show exactly where the stud is. No guessing or weird angles needed. It spots both the edges and the center, and it works through thick drywall or textured surfaces without a problem. No need to calibrate anything. Just grab and go. It's small, comfy to hold, and even has a slot to hold your pencil while you mark things. Great for hanging shelves, TVs, or anything heavy without messing up the wall. Number 8. Aluminum Pipe Wrench. This tool is great for gripping pipes and turning stuff without feeling like you're lifting a brick. It's made from lightweight aluminum, so it's way easier on your arms than the old heavy ones. The strong steel jaws grab onto pipes or bolts tightly, and the more you twist, the better the grip gets. It's super easy to adjust, and the smooth threads make opening and closing a breeze. Perfect for plumbing work or anything round you need to twist or loosen. It's tough, reliable, and won't wear you out during longer jobs. Number 7. Milwaukee Inflator. This compact inflator is a real time saver when you need to pump up car or bike tires, sports balls, or anything else with air. It runs on a battery, so you don't need to mess with cords or outlets, just grab it and go. You can set the pressure you want and it'll stop automatically once it gets there, so you don't overinflate. It comes with different nozzles and a long hose that wraps up neatly when you're done. It stays steady while running thanks to its grippy base. Super handy to keep in your car, garage, or take on the road. Number 6. Ledlenser ML6. This small lantern is super bright and really useful for all kinds of situations. It lights up a big area with soft, even light, no harsh glare, and can run for hours depending on the brightness level you choose. It charges with a USB cable and can even power up your phone if needed. The buttons glow in the dark and it has a lock so it won't turn on by accident in your bag. You can hang it, stick it to metal, or stand it up anywhere. It's great for camping, power outages, or just lighting up your backyard at night. Number 5. SKIL Router Table. This tabletop tool is super handy for anyone working with wood. It's easy to set up, just unfold the legs and you're good to go. You can adjust the bit height from the top, which means no crawling underneath to make changes. It has guides that help keep your cuts straight and safe, and there's plenty of space on the surface to move your wood around. It also has some extra tools built in, like storage for bits and a clear guard to keep things tidy. When you're done, it folds up flat so you can tuck it away. Great for home projects or small workshops. Number 4. Bissell Multi-Cleaner. This handy machine is perfect for small cleanups and works wonders on carpets, couches, car seats, and more. It has powerful suction that pulls stains right out of the fabric, making your surfaces look fresh again. Designed to be compact and easy to carry, it's great for quick cleanups anywhere in your home. With a large 48-ounce tank, you can clean longer without stopping to refill. It also comes with useful tools like the 3-inch tough stain tool and the Hydro Rinse self-cleaning hose tool, giving you everything you need for different cleaning jobs. Number 3. Rivet Nut Gun. This handheld tool makes installing threaded inserts super easy and fast. You just squeeze the handles and it pulls the nut tight onto your material if it's metal, plastic, or thin sheet goods. There's no need for welding or tapping. It works on both sides of the panel, leaving a clean, secure threaded hole. It's lightweight and feels comfortable in the hand, with adjustable settings to fit different nut sizes. Perfect for car work, fixing metal covers, or adding sturdy mounting points anywhere you need a reliable thread without fuss. Reliable, handy, and saves a ton of setup time. Number 2. Milescraft DrillMate. The smart little jig turns any standard drill into a precision tool, great for drilling straight accurate holes every time. Just secure it on your bit, clamp it to your workspace, and it keeps everything aligned vertically. If you're working on wood, metal, or even plastics, it ensures your holes are perfectly square and centered. Adjustable stops let you control depth so you don't drill too far. It's compact, durable, and easy to set up so it fits in with your usual gear. Ideal for furniture making, shelving, cabinet installation, or even simple repairs, perfect for nailing that perfect hole without the slip-ups. Number 1. Roughneck Splitter. The tough little tool makes splitting firewood way easier and safer than using an axe. Instead of swinging anything, you just use the sliding hammer handle to drive a sharp wedge through the log. It's super solid and gives you good control, so there's less mess and no flying wood chips. The grip is comfy and helps absorb some of the impact. It's built from strong materials and folds up nicely when you're done. Great for anyone who needs to chop logs but doesn't want to wreck their back doing it. Simple, effective, and way less effort. And that's a wrap up on this video. Which one's your favorite? Drop it in the comments, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell to see you in the next one.